Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to concatenate two strings with and without using library function. Let's first start with concatenating string using a library function. To concatenate or append one string to another string in C programming, you have to ask the user to enter any two strings and concatenate both of the string using the strcat function. Strcat function takes two arguments which is of string type str1, str2. The string value of str2 will be appended at the end of the string str1. Strcat function takes two arguments only. Let's see the code to concatenate a string in C using the library function. First of all, inside the main function, declare two strings str1 and str2. After that, with the help of printf function, display the message enter first string. Then with gets function, input string 1. Then with the help of printf function, display the message enter second string. With gets function, input string 2. Then concatenate both the string using the strcat function. This function takes two arguments which is of string type str1 and str2. String value of str2 will be appended at the end of the string str1. Then finally, with the help of printf function, display the string after concatenation. Sentence S is the format specifier for string. String value of str2 will be appended at the end of the string str1. That's why we have to display str1. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, supply the value of the first string, that is well. Then press the enter key. Then supply the string value for the second string, that is come. And finally press the enter key to see the concatenated string, that is welcome. str1 is well and str2 is come. String after concatenation is welcome. Value of second string come gets copied into the first string, that is well, and the concatenated string will become welcome. If we use the function strcat as strcat str2, str1, then the string value of str1 will get copied to str2. And after the execution of this code, if we supply come for str1 and well for str2, then strcat function will output the concatenated string as welcome. In this case, value of str1 is come and value of str2 is well, and after concatenation string is welcome. str1 will get copied into str2. Next is concatenate a string in C without using the strcat function. First of all, inside the main function declare two strings str1 and str2, and I is a loop counter variable and count is a variable that count number of characters in a given string and initialize with 0. After that, with the help of printf function, display the message enter string 1. Then with gets function, input string 1. Then with printf function, display the message enter string 2. With gets function, input the value of string 2. Then apply for loop for I is equal to 0, str1 of I not equal to null, and increase the value of I by 1. Then count plus plus. If this condition is evaluated to be true, then count plus plus. That count number of characters in string 1. Then after that, apply for loop I is equal to 0 and str2 of I not equal to null. Increase the value of I by 1. Inside the body of for loop, str1 of count is equal to str2 of I. Then increase the value of count by 1. And finally, str1 of count is equal to null. Then with the help of printf function, display the string after concatenation. String after concatenation is equal to %s, and %s display the value of str1. The string value of str2 will get copied to str1. Run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter string 1. String 1 is well. Then enter string 2. String 2 is come. After processing, the value of the second string str2 will get concatenated into the first string str1. Then the output is welcome. Using the gets function, obtain two string values from the user. The first string, that is well, is initialized to str1, and the second string, that is come, is initialized to str2. Then after that, create a for loop to get the length of the first string, that is str1. If the string reach the null terminated character, it means that there is nothing left inside it. After exiting from the for loop, we will have a count variable that contains the length of the string str1. Then after that, we have calculated the length of the first string to append the content of the second string into the first from the place where the first string ends. Create the another for loop to append the content of the second string str2 into the first string str1. After appending all the str2 characters, append a null terminated character to the end of str1. And finally print the final value of str1, which will be the concatenated string. Again run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter string 1. String 1 is C and string 2 is programming. String after concatenation is C programming.